In today's fast-paced world, businesses rely on multiple systems to manage daily operations efficiently. From employee onboarding, payroll, and POS systems to accounting, food ordering, customer loyalty, and supply chain management, each plays a crucial role in ensuring smooth business functions. However, when these systems operate in isolation, businesses face data silos, manual processes, and costly inefficiencies. But what if all these systems could seamlessly communicate with one another, eliminating errors, saving time, and improving overall efficiency? That's where Any Connector comes in. Any Connector acts as the central hub, integrating all your essential business tools into one streamlined platform. No more manual data transfers, errors, or disconnected systems. POS and online ordering sync sales data in real time, ensuring accurate reporting and inventory tracking. Payroll and earned wage access automatically transfers employee work hours for accurate and timely payroll processing. Employee onboarding seamlessly connects HR platforms for efficient hiring and record keeping. Customer loyalty and drive-thru enhances customer engagement by linking transactions to rewards programs. Food distributors and accounting ensures smooth order management, invoicing, and cost tracking. With Any Connector, businesses eliminate inefficiencies, reduce labor costs, and improve accuracy, all while keeping systems up to date in real time. Any Connector makes everything work together effortlessly, so you can focus on what matters most, growing your business. Ready to integrate smarter? Switch to Any Connector, your link between anything and everything. Visit anyconnector.com to learn more.